Their training is grueling. Their mission is clear: to maintain a superior level of readiness, to be prepared to fight alongside Allied forces and defeat an enemy that is more agile and formidable than ever before. Today's fighter pilots require intensive training, superior technologies, and realistic environments that replicate the fog of war. The P5 Combat Training System, or P5 CTS TCTS, provides next-generation capabilities needed for mission success, now and well into the future. P5 is the future of combat training. It sets the standard for interoperable joint and combined training, allowing forces to train together as a coordinated team. The developers are Cubic Defense Applications and Teammate DRS. P5 meets current and emerging security requirements for U.S. and coalition training missions. The technology is adaptable to nearly every fixed-wing aircraft, as well as rotary-wing platforms. Cubic and DRS are also providing the P5 for the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, the most sophisticated strike aircraft weapon systems in production today. This is NAS Key West, the first U.S. Navy site to deploy the P5 Tactical Combat Training System, or TCTS. With the advanced technology, Navy pilots can conduct advanced rangeless training missions for the first time aboard aircraft carriers. As you can see here, the Individual Combat Aircrew Display System, or ICADS, provides computer-generated images of all participating aircraft. It lets pilots view the aircraft's flight dynamics, weapons events, and outcomes of each engagement. ICADS supports post-mission debriefs at home stations or in theater settings. Here at MCAS Miramar, the P5 system is also taking training to new heights.
Previously, we were limited by some of the range restrictions and then just the distance that our previous pods could transmit. The P5 has a much better capability further out over the water that really enhances our training, allowing us to train in different areas, not just one range specific.
The fighter pilots at Luke Air Force Base were also among the first to experience the system's sophisticated features, including the live monitoring capability, real-time weapons simulations, and timely, accurate debriefs.
It definitely makes the debrief a lot cleaner, a lot quicker, and a lot more accurate. You can actually review your performance each time to this kind of accuracy to help improve on the next time you go up to fly.
P5 supports live training for air-to-air, air-to-ground, and electronic warfare missions. The transportable ground stations provide the exercise control, live monitoring, and comprehensive debriefs. The airborne component of P5, the instrumentation pod, records all the training events, performs the weapons simulations, and processes in-flight events. When the pods are airborne, they communicate with each other using a sophisticated data link system. The data links continuously provide the time, space, position information, or TSP, of each aircraft during the exercise. The weapon kills are also transmitted by the data link. At the conclusion of the mission, the data recording device is removed from the pod and uploaded into a processing computer. The DRD data is synchronized with the pilot's HUD tape as well as the live monitoring recordings. This allows accurate tracking and positioning of events at all times during the post-mission debriefs. During debriefs, the fighter pilots learn if they fired the right weapon at the right time with the right tactics. Combat pilots take their training very seriously because their lives depend on the lessons learned. With P5, U.S. and Allied forces can fight as coordinated teams, fulfill their missions, and return home safely. P5 CTS TCTS, the most advanced and widely deployed air combat training system ever built. It's affordable, reliable, and available now.